strong.
And welcome to our channel Smart Study with V. Today we are going to discuss about integer in number line. In the last video we discussed about basics of integers. So here is a number line. In a number line, so in the right side there is positive integers and the left side of the zero, that is negative integers. What is the integers? Integers are the bigger collection of numbers which is found by whole number. So look at here, whole number and they are negative. All these numbers are positive numbers are in the right side and negative numbers are in the left side. If there is negative 3, we can look at here, this is negative 3. If there is positive 5, we can see here is positive 5. So here is simple. If there is two signs or continuous two sign like this or like this, so how can you represent in number line? So there is confusion. So here is a trick. If there is continuous two sign like this, so first sign tell us the direction. So look at the first one. So it is negative, that means left side. Its direction is left side. And second sign tell us move forward or backward. Forward, that means if there is positive sign, and negative is backward. Look at this one. So if there is first sign is negative, that means direction is this side. And second sign is tell us backward. How many steps? 3 steps. So 1, 2, 3. So from here to here. So this is negative and negative 3. So look at the second one. Again, this is left side direction. And second sign is positive. That means move forward. How many steps? 5 steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can move this side. So your answer is negative 5. So remember this. First sign is direction. And second sign is forward or backward. If there is positive sign, move forward. Negative sign is backward. Okay. Some example here is negative 4. We start from 0. Here is only single sign. It is very easy. Count these lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is negative 4. So your answer is negative 4. This is positive 5. Simple. So go to the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is positive 5. Look at this one. Here is two signs are here. First sign is telling us the direction. We start from here. Our direction is this side. We are standing here 0. Our direction is this side. So second sign is again second sign. Again minus. That means move backward. Your direction is this side. But we move to backward here. 1 to 6 step. So we move back here. So answer is positive 6. Now see the next one. First sign is negative. That means left side direction. We are standing this side. And second sign is positive. That means move forward. How many steps? 6 steps. So your answer is negative 6. Now here is look at the fifth one. First is only positive 4. So we start from 0 to 4. Second sign is positive. That means from this point our direction is here, this side, right side. Because there is positive. And second sign is negative. That means backward 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. So increase this line. So backward, that means reverse direction. Then again positive. That means our direction is right side. So next sign is two continuous signs. So next sign shows negative signs backward. So how many steps? 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here. So this is our answer is negative 4. So remember this. First sign is so direction. And second sign, if there is positive, move forward. Negative is backward. To change. Look at the sixth one. So first is negative 2. Simple. Negative 2. And here is two continuous sign. That means first sign is direction. Second sign is forward, backward. So first here is positive sign. That means our direction is right side. Second sign is minus. That means backward. How many steps? 5 steps. So count 5 steps. And here our answer is minus 7. Now see the seventh. So first here is two continuous sign. First sign is direction. That means minus sign is left side. And second continuous two second sign is again negative. That means backward 2 steps. So direction is here, but backward is this side. And again next minus sign continuous 2 sign. So our direction is this side. Again minus, that means from this direction we go to backward. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 step backward. So our answer is positive 7. So next one, 8th is, here is we start from 0, negative 4, very simple, negative 4, single sign, again negative 4, that means move this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, so go this side. So answer is negative 8. Now see here the addition and subtraction of the integers. So students always confused, we do here addition or subtraction, but here is a solution with tricks. Here is 3 box and 3 signs. 2 is negative and first is positive. You can write it any way, any manner. You can write minus minus plus or minus plus minus, or without any box we can write any sequence. We have to match the sign here. So here is what we do here, add or subtract, confusion. So it tells us what we do. First we match the sign. So here is minus and second is plus. What is the last rest sign is minus, that means it tells us to subtract. So subtract it, 5 minus 3, 2. We subtract here 2. What is the greater number? Greater number is 5. Its sign is positive. So here answer is plus 2. First you match the sign and do that. What we do? Add or subtract. Third sign tell us what we do, add or subtract. And again in the last, write the sign in front of the greater number or larger number. So see the next one. Here is 2 sign. If there is 2 sign, change into the single sign. How it is? Look at. First we are going to change here. Negative 5. This is plus. Match it. This is plus and second is minus. What is the last one is negative. So this is negative 3. Now what we do here? Add or subtract. This trick tell us. So 2 negatives are here. What is the third one? Positive. Positive tell us add it. So 5 plus 3, 8. What is the greater number is 5. Its sign is negative. So here is negative 8. Now third one, match it. Minus and plus. This minus and plus. What is the last one is negative. That means subtract it. 5 minus 3, 2. What is the greater number is 5. Its sign is minus. So we write here minus. If there is 2 continuous sign, change into the single sign. So we are going to change here. This is 5. This is plus minus and plus and minus is matched. What is the last one is negative. So we write here negative. 5 minus 3, 2. Here is also 2 signs are continue here. Minus 2. This is plus minus. So what is the last one is negative. This is negative 5. What we do here? Add or subtract. It tells us 2 negatives. What is the last one is plus. Plus means we add here 7. Larger number is 5. Its sign is minus. So here is what we do. Add or subtract. It tells us plus and minus. And third sign is negative. Negative, that means subtract. We write here 2 and plus is greater. Now look at this. 2. Change it to a single sign. Plus and minus. This is plus and minus. What is the rest one is negative. Negative 4. So what we do? Add or subtract. This is negative and positive. Third one is negative. We do subtraction. So here is 2. Larger number is 4. Its sign is minus. We write here minus. So look at. This is plus and this is minus. What is the last one is minus. So here is 10. Larger number is 20. Its sign is plus. Here is change to the single sign. Plus and minus. What is the third sign? Minus. So here is 2 minus. What is the third sign? What will the third sign? Remember here, minus, minus and plus. This is the main trick. 2 is minus. Third one is plus. Plus, that means you add it. Addition. So 15. Larger number is 10. Its sign is minus. Here is also 100. Change it to a single sign. Plus and minus. What is the third one is? 200. So what we do? Add or subtract. This is plus and this is minus. Third one is minus. Minus, that means subtract. Here is 100 and larger number is 200. That means it is minus. So here is multiplication and division of integers. So same trick is here. Plus 2 times minus and 1 time is plus. First we do divide or multiply. Then if there is two continuous sign, change into a single sign and match. And what will the answer, positive or negative, match with this trick box. So look at here. First we multiply 5 3 is 15. Simply we multiply or simply we divide. So match it. 3 is positive and 5 is negative. What is the third last one is negative? You write here negative. 8 6 is 48. Simply we multiply. First is minus, second is positive. So what will be the third? Negative. Here is both is positive. So don't match here. Simply 7 5 is 35. Now look at 9 5 is 45. Both numbers integers are negative. So here is both is negative. What is the third last one is positive. The answer is positive 45. Now look at here. Two continuous signs are here. So change into the single sign. This will also help. So both are negative. What is the rest one is positive. Here is positive 5. Then multiply. Same is here. Again positive 5. So 5 5 is 25. If there is both number are positive, the answer will be in positive. So 6 1 is, here is also continue two signs. First is minus and second is plus. Minus and plus. What is the last one is negative. So we change into single sign, negative 5. Then multiply. Both is minus. What will the third one is positive. So we write here plus 5. 5 5 is 25. So what is the answer? Negative or positive match here. First is minus, second is plus. What is the third one? Negative. Here is negative. Now look at the division. 40 divided by 2. It is simple. Both is positive. Answer will be positive. 30 divided by 3. It is 10. Match with the box. First is positive, second is negative. So third one in answer, negative. 54 divided by 9. Here is 6. So first is negative, second is positive. What will be the third? Negative. Remember this minus, minus and plus. Minus and plus, and third is negative. 81 divided by 9. Answer is 9. Match the answer. What will be the sign? Both is negative matched. What is the third one? Positive. Here is positive. So here is double sign. First we change in single sign. Both is negative. So what is the third one is positive. We write here 45. Only 45. You can write plus 45 also. And here is also two sign. Both is negative. So according to this trick, we change into positive 9. So 45 divided by 9 is 5, or you can write plus 5. Okay, that's it in the video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe it. Thank you.